This is OnePlus 70. OnePlus 70 launched September 2019. After 1.5 years, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So at first talk about the build quality. This phone built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with aluminum frame. OnePlus 70 comes with 6.55-inch 90Hz Full AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus, which resolution 1080 into 2400 pixel and 402 ppi density, 86.5 skin to body ratio. OnePlus 70 using chipset Snapdragon 855 Plus and CPU using octa-core 1 into 2.96 GHz and GPU Adreno 640 with UFS 3.0. 2021 is running Android 10. OnePlus 70 also comes with 8GB RAM. So this phone have a very good powerful processor, so you can play any types of game in a very high graphics. I am playing Call of Duty in a very high graphics and max frame rate. My gaming experience is pretty well. I don't face any problem. Also play Pubg Mobile smooth to 90Hz and ultra graphics to ultra frame rate. My Pubg gaming experience is pretty well. And by the way, if you guys want to see Call of Duty and Pubg Mobile full gaming review on OnePlus 70 in 2021, I am already give these two types of video on my YouTube channel. Video link in my video description and below. Go there and watch this video. So let's move on the camera section. OnePlus 70 comes with quad camera setup, 48 megapixel main lens with 1.6 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.2 aperture, 16 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture, with quad LED dual flash. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 120fps and 240fps slow-mo video and 720p 960fps slow-mo video. OnePlus 70 you can take a very good picture with this photo in a daylight, and this phone also supports Gcam 8.1. Gcam 8.1 video link in my video description and below. Go there and download this Gcam. OnePlus 70 comes with single 16 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. So now talk about the security. You can unlock your phone in a face unlock and in-display fingerprint scanner. And in-display fingerprint scanner is pretty well. OnePlus 70 comes with 3800 mAh battery with 30W fast charger. So the question is, OnePlus 70 is still worth it 2021? Yes, definitely this phone is still worth it 2021. Because this phone comes with very beautiful design, and this phone also comes with very powerful processor and OK level camera. By the way, in 2021, OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro release. OnePlus 9 Pro is the best smartphone ever made OnePlus. So this is all about OnePlus 70. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.